Yeah, man. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. You know, I'm Samir as usual. So, me I tell you, me they all analyze that thing, you know. Yeah, man. So, the 12 disciples were used to follow Jesus. Every one of them represent one country in the Caribbean. Enough people don't know that. Yes, man. Every one of the disciples who follow Jesus represent one country in the Caribbean. Yes. So, I can tell you now which one did represent Jamaica. You know, fast over the seatbelt, brother. May I tell you, people, Judas represent Jamaica. Yes, man, Judas. Him represent Jamaica. That's why you see some people in Jamaica so wicked and lie and sell you out. You understand? Because the quickest people them will sell you out in the world is a Jamaican, you know. I tell you, because them are Judas. And the quickest people them tell lie upon you, walk up your upon you. The most bad mind people, some of them come from Jamaica. May I tell you. Some Jamaica people wicked bad, may I tell you. All in a church ain't go tell lie. Yes, man. Yes, man, may I tell you. Enough of them tell lie in a church, me hear pastor them attack. Yes. Yeah, man, I may believe a pastor them. Me hear pastor them attack or some of them lie. Me I tell you what, some people, yeah, you have to beware of some of Jamaican people them. And all of them, you know. But you have one set of them who just tell lie and wicked and thief and they will murder you too, you know. Me I tell you, you know. So you have to be careful of some people from Jamaica. Yeah, man, certain spirit before no draw them in. Yeah, I remember me tell you, some of the best people them in the whole world at Jamaica then come from. Yeah. But some of the wickedest and the lies at Jamaica then come from, man. Yeah, man. Some bad mind people. Some of them, man, if you could have seen their heart worse than over Riverton City. And when you look on them in a clean clothes, you know, they clothes clean. Yes, man. But if you could have just seen that they had, so me I tell you, the 12 disciples will follow Jesus. The one when he and Judas, and him represent Jamaica, man. Yes, that's why you see Jamaica have a struggle so. See Canada, attack people from all over the world, them have to bypass Jamaica because Jamaicans so wicked. You understand? Because Jamaican come a firing, who you think them fight against when they come a firing? Jamaican. Yes. You buy any little thing and make them know you see how they encourage you and bad mind, you work up upon you and try to kill you. You understand? Be a bad face and something. You understand? I mean, if you and them a bridging and they used to call the phone, Lord have mercy. They tell you if you buy one new car, they don't bother call the phone again. And they say you trust one house. Because people now money to buy house are fine. I trust people trust house. And the rich people then buy house like the Jews and so forth. But me I tell you, man, normal Jamaican, well, I don't know how to manage, you know. The wicked one them. Because one and two of them are come through when a wicked still, but the real wicked one them, them pile up. They are police record. Because remember, say if you got a police record in the world now, you're done, you know. Yes, man, you are feel later. Yeah. So all of the man there, we are shoot and a thief and a loot and a make police record in Jamaica. We're not done, I tell you. Because government are come off on, you know. You don't know, but Mr. Mayor, I tell you, say government are come off on. And when you make America have no hope, it's a bad thing. Canada have up Jamaican is a bad thing. England have up Jamaican is a bad thing. The three main countries where we help the world. So So Jamaican have to change up on the folly ground. Yes, man. Enough with top tell lie and thief, man. And come out of people then church who don't know lying tongue. Yes, man. You have all Jamaica if anything happen in a church to you. If you're sick with all your ears and you got to say, Pastor, pray for me ears. Then go and go say I ears just say. Yeah, man. They would say I ears to some of them lie. They tell you, yes, man, you're sick with the ears. Your ears. And Jamaica go and go say a ear job. Because they don't go want a hint, you know. You understand? Jamaican people don't go want a hint. Once they get a hint, then tell the biggest lie. Then tell lie we can't hold in a plane. You feel that lie big. If they lie, if you can't buy ship. Subscribe and share, Mr. Beer is out. Jamaican #1 lion. Judas. They come from Jamaican. Most of the people, them man. And all of them, but some of them, real Judas are Jamaica.